Imagine a world where every morning, as you wake up, your bank account magically swells with cash without you lifting a finger. This enchanting phenomenon is the very essence of passive income, a financial concept that can transform your life. In this video, we are going on an exciting journey through the ultimate guide to amazing wealth through passive income. We'll unravel the mysteries, from the very definition of passive income to crafting the perfect streams tailored just for you. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The power of passive income. Passive income, the art of making money without breaking a sweat, stands in stark contrast to the daily grind of trading your precious time for a paycheck. The benefits of this financial superpower are boundless. It can pad your wallet with extra income or, dare I say, replace your job entirely. Freedom and flexibility become your constant companions. Swiftly achieving financial goals like retiring early or owning your dream home becomes not just a dream, but a reality. Choosing your passive income streams. Selecting the ideal passive income streams requires careful consideration of your skills, interests, budget, and risk tolerance. This isn't a one-size-fits-all endeavor. The world of passive income is as diverse as it is lucrative. The pantheon of passive income streams. Explore a cornucopia of options, including investing, dabble in stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets to harvest dividends, interest, and rental income. In this stimulating world of financial opportunity, several avenues beckon, but let's explore some of the most beloved choices. Dividend stocks. Picture this, owning a slice of companies that generously share their profits with you. Dividend stocks pay out regular cash dividends, offering you a dependable stream of passive income. The rewards? They flow quarterly, turning your investments into a wellspring of financial freedom. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Say hello to the realm of real estate moguls without the headaches of property management. REITs, the champions of income-producing real estate, boast everything from apartments to office buildings and shopping malls. Peer-to-peer lending. Imagine becoming the financial catalyst for individuals and businesses, lending your resources and reaping the rewards in the form of interest payments. It's a daring venture, offering higher returns with a hint of risk, the realm where high rewards await the bold. The stock market odyssey. Make yourself ready to prepare to tackle a learning curve that might seem steep and a landscape that can feel bewildering, but don't be daunted. The stock market is your gateway to a financial future that knows no bounds. The critical twist in this tale is understanding the virtue of playing the long game rather than seeking quick gains. Your investing goals. With eyes set on the distant horizon, your goal is to diversify your investment portfolio, effectively spreading your risk. In this quest, you wield a variety of powerful tools. Mutual funds. These are your trusted companions, a blend of various stocks and bonds, managed by professionals who navigate the market's twists and turns on your behalf. Index funds. Think of them as your guiding stars, mirroring the performance of a particular market index, like the S&P 500. They offer diversified, low-cost entry points into the stock market. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These are the versatile champions in your arsenal. They provide exposure to various assets, from stocks to commodities, and can be traded like stocks. High dividend stocks. Your loyal warriors. These stocks are known for their ability to generate capital gains over time, putting you on the path to financial triumph. The Grand Quest. To begin your stock market adventure, you must first open a brokerage account with a reputable financial institution and fuel it with your hard-earned resources. While this quest may seem daunting, fear not, for you can enlist the guidance of a financial advisor, your trusted mentor in crafting a strategy to conquer your passive income goals. Business ventures. Ignite a venture that runs on autopilot, be it a dropshipping emporium or an affiliate marketing powerhouse. The blueprint for building wealth through passive income. As you are entering on this journey, follow these guiding stars. Set your financial goals. It all begins with a single, pivotal step: setting your financial goals. What dreams are you chasing with the allure of passive income? Are you yearning to supercharge your existing income, bid farewell to the grind and retire early, or perhaps unfurl the banner of financial independence? With your goals etched in your heart, you're not just daydreaming, you're sculpting a roadmap to prosperity. If your dream is to retire with the sun still high, calculate the exact amount needed monthly to cover your expenses. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be ready to pinpoint passive income streams that can make this dream a reality. Paint a clear picture of your desires, like, I aim to generate $5,000 monthly in passive income within a year. Your goals must be quantifiable, allowing you to monitor progress and tweak your strategy as needed. While ambition is your ally, don't set the bar impossibly high. Attainable goals keep you motivated and determined. Set deadlines, infusing your journey with a sense of urgency that propels you forward. Choose your streams. Cherry-pick the streams that align perfectly with your skills, interests, and budget. Invest in yourself. No success is free. Whether you're crafting digital marvels or starting a business empire, you'll need to invest time and resources up front. Stay patient and persistent. Building substantial passive income takes time. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your financial empire. Persevere through the early days of modest returns, and your patience will be rewarded. Diversify your income. Never place all your eggs in one basket. Spread your wealth across different assets and businesses to reduce risk. Reinvest your earnings. As your passive income snowballs, reinvest a portion to compound your wealth. Your future self will thank you. Automate your systems. Unleash the power of automation to free up your time. This grants you the freedom to nurture your income streams or cherish moments with loved ones. Building wealth with passive income takes time and effort, but it is definitely possible. By following the tips above, you can create a sustainable source of income that will help you achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and that was all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on finance. Stay tuned.